In real estate, we all know that collaboration is where the magic happens. It's how the best deals get done. But what happens when the very tools we're supposed to be using just create more headaches? Today, we're going to dig into a new platform called ReUnited. It's built on a really simple but powerful idea. What if you could build a collaborative space that's based on trust right from the very beginning?
So, before we dive into the solution, let's get real about the problem. Think about it for a second. What is the single biggest roadblock you face when you're trying to get a deal over the finish line? Is it a tough client? Maybe a price that just won't budge? Or the property itself?
Well, here's the thing. What if the biggest obstacle isn't any of those? Often, the real friction, the place where good deals just seem to fall apart, is in the communication between brokers. This is what we're calling the broker's dilemma. It's where collaboration should be happening, but instead, it just breaks.
And if you are a broker, this list probably feels all too real, right? I mean, think about the endless frustrations, the listing with half the information missing, the contacts you can never quite get a hold of, all those hours you waste just trying to verify one simple detail. And oh boy, let's not even get started on the last-minute arguments over commission splits that can just sink a deal completely.
Okay, so how do you fix a problem that's so baked into the system? Well, you don't. You build a whole new environment from scratch. And that brings us to a platform designed specifically to solve this trust issue, ReUnited.
So, what is ReUnited at its core? It's a dedicated community, but here's the most important word. It's a verified community. Think of it like a closed ecosystem, designed from the ground up so that every single person you interact with is a legitimate, vetted professional. This allows you to work with clarity, speed, and real confidence.
And this right here, this gets to the heart of what makes it all work. Verification. Every single broker is authenticated. This is not just another open-for-all forum where you're left wondering who you're really talking to. Nope. It is a closed network, and that's a feature, not a bug. It's designed that way to protect your time, your business, and your clients.
So the idea is solid, for sure, but how does it actually play out in the real world? How do you go from logging in to closing a deal? Let's walk through the workflow.
The whole process is designed to be super streamlined. Step 1. You get verified. It's a one-time thing, and once you're in, you're in. From there, you can list as many properties as you want, and you can do it knowing that every broker looking at them is also a pro. See a property you like? One click connects you directly with the listing broker. No gatekeepers, no runaround. And once you've made the deal, the platform is just there to act as a digital record of the commission split you both already agreed on. Simple.
Okay, naturally, a huge question is going to pop into your head right about now, and it's a really important one. What about my client's privacy? Are there details getting put out there for everyone to see?
The answer is a hard no. And this is absolutely critical to how the platform is designed. Your client's information never touches the platform. ReUnited is built to connect brokers with other brokers. That's it. The client conversations happen between you and your new collaborator offline, exactly where they belong. All right, let's hit the other big one, money. We all want to know, does the platform get its hands in your commission splits? Does it take a cut or try to tell you how to negotiate? And again, the answer is absolutely not. The platform stays completely out of your negotiations. You and the other broker decide everything on your own terms. ReUnited's only role here is to act like a digital handshake. It's just a place to document that agreement so there's a clear, transparent record for both of you. So, you might be thinking, if ReUnited doesn't get involved in disputes, what's to stop things from getting messy? How do they actually maintain that trustworthy environment? Well, that's where the platform's rules of engagement come into play.
This slide really lays out the balance they're going for. See, ReUnited does not want to be the referee in your business deals, but it absolutely will be the guardian of the community. It enforces a very clear code of conduct, and yeah, it has the power to suspend or even blacklist people for unethical behavior. So you get total freedom to negotiate, but you're doing it within a framework that demands professionalism.
So what's the price of admission? What does it cost to get into this verified community? Well, in keeping with that whole philosophy of simplicity, their entire model is built around this single number. One plan. That's it. There are no complicated tiers, no annoying upsells, no premium features that you have to pay extra for. It's refreshingly simple. This way, you know exactly what you're getting, and everyone has access to the exact same tools. It's black and white. You're either a member or you're not. But the idea here goes way beyond just being a better place to find listings. ReUnited is really positioning itself as a whole professional ecosystem.
with a bunch of benefits that come with being a member.
So your membership gets you more than just access. It gives you tools to actually grow your business. We're talking professionally designed marketing materials you can use, exclusive in-person broker meetups, and even monthly online networking events. The whole point is to help you build your brand and your network, not just find the next listing.
And of course, you're not just left to figure it all out on your own. There's a full support system in place, whether you prefer to use a help section, send an email, or get a quick answer from their AI chatbot.
You know, this quote really nails it. The goal isn't just to be another website or another app on your phone. The whole vision is to build a true professional ecosystem, a place where trusted pros can find each other, work together, and ultimately close a lot more deals.
And that leaves us with a pretty interesting question to chew on, doesn't it? In an industry that's all about open markets and making connections, could a closed, trusted network actually be the secret to making everything work better? It's a powerful idea to think about.